Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Victor and all of my beloved friend. First of all, let's introduce our team. My name is Ainita Pratiwi and my friend Alfi Pratiwi, Ahmad Wahid, Nilasari Wulandari, Prita Hasan, Yuliana Hasanah.
Ya, kedengaran.
Ya, baik Pak, terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation today is about mention tema kali ini tentang blood, darah. Now I will read one by one our agenda today that the one session is opening. Two session is introduction. Session ketiga is presentasi. Yang keempat ada session is closing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's open your meeting. For the next agenda is presentation session. For the first turn will be given by the first presenter. Please welcome Alfi Pratiwi.
Conversation blood disorder. Sally is a nurse. One day, she met a friend of hers, Diana, in front of the hospital where she works. Diana looked tired that day, so that Sally gave her suggestion. Here is their conversation. Sally: hello Diana, how are you? Diana: not so good. That's why I'm here. Sally: what's the matter? Diana: I often feel tired and dizzy recently. Sally: really? You also look quite pale today. Have you had a checkup? Diana: not yet. I'm going to meet my doctor at 1, and I asked her suggestion. First, as a nurse, what do you think, Sally? Do I serious disease? Sally: I'm not sure, but maybe you just too tired and need to take a rest, or it might be anemia. Next, Diana: anemia. Sally: yes, it is the most common disorder when the blood is not able to carry enough oxygen. Diana: how could such thing happen? This can happen for a variety of reasons, but is often due to a lack of nutrients or a severe loss of blood. Sally: it sounds horrible. Is anemia dangerous? It can be serious. Anyway, it's 1 p.m. now. That's better if you see your doctor and make sure everything is alright. Diana: that's true. Thank you. I'll call you after my appointment. Sally: okay, bye Diana, bye. Next, blood. Blood is the red liquid that is pumped by your heart through your veins and arteries. This is called the circulatory system. Blood takes food and oxygen to all of the cells in your body and removes waste away from the cells. Blood makes up about 7% of a person's body weight and consists primarily of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. The average human adult has about 1 per 2 gallons of blood traveling through their circulatory system. Here is the explanation of each component in blood. Red blood cells. Red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes, are created in the bone marrow and are constantly being replaced. Each one lives on average for about 120 days. They make up about for 20% of our blood. They have a concave shape sort of a donut with their hole slightly filled in. Red blood cells contain a protein known as hemoglobin which makes our blood red. Red cells use the hemoglobin to carry oxygen from the lungs throughout the body. Oxygen is needed for all of the other cells in the body to live. To life, the red blood cells also the carbon dioxide which your body produces as a waste product and transport it the lungs, it is exhaled. They are responsible for taking nutrients from the food we eat to all our cells, from the tiny cell at the end of our big toe, the cells of our brain. Next.
Red blood cells or leukocytes help the body fight infection. They also are trapped in the bone marrow. They can live uh, as 1 day up to month in the blood. They are several kinds of white blood cells, and each kind has a special job. Some can attack and digest most types of bacteria. Some help to remove dead cells in the body and kill parasites and invading organisms. Platelets are also known as thrombocytes and are made in the bone marrow. They live about 6 days before their job is to coagulate blood and help it cold. Next, plasma is clear yellow liquid that keep the various further cell fruit and moving earth. The vein and artery. Plasma is water and also contain mineral, vitamin, nutrients, protein, and other dissolved material necessary for the health and function of the body. Blood disorder. Blood is an extravert material that is responsibility for so many processes in our body. Take a look just a few conditions that impact our blood health. Anemia is the most common disorder carrying deficiency. This can happen for a variety and reason, but is often due to a lack of nutrient or severe loss of blood. To sickle cell anemia is a condition affecting certain attached background in which the hemoglobin in defective in cause the cell to become sticky and mishapen. They do not carry oxygen well and can even get sucked in vein and artery. Sickle cell patient requires blood transfusion frequently.
3. Clotting disorder. In some people, the ability of the blood to clot is broken. Hemophilia is one such disorder. Blood does not clot appropriately and can result in excess bruising, bleeding internally, and self-bleeding from even the most minor cut. Hemophilia is an inherited disease, disease and is very dangerous. Of the person who has in bleeding to death is a contact word for neutropenia. White blood cells can also the victim of disease to neutropenia happens when there are not enough white blood cells to protect against infections. The infection can cause serious damage to the person with neutropenia. Next, word power terms connected with blood. Terms anemia, meaning anemia, antibody, antibody, antigen, antigen, artery, bleeding berdarah, blood bank, berdarah, bank darah, blood clot, pengumpulan darah, blood group, UK blood type, golongan darah, blood pressure, tekanan darah, blood transfusi darah, blood vessel, pembuluh darah, blood stream, aliran darah, bone marrow, sum-sum tulang. Next. Bruise, memar, capillary, pembuluh rambut, circulatory system, sistem peredaran darah, clotting disorder, gangguan pembekuan darah, coagulate, pembekuan, kompatibilitas darah yang cocok, dead cell, sel mati, dizziness, kepusingan, exhale, mengeluarkan nafas, gauze, kain kasa, gloves, sarung tangan, hemoglobin, hemofilia, hypertension, darah tinggi. Next. Hypotension, darah rendah, imun sistem, sistem kekebalan, inhale, menarik nafas, leukemia, needle, jarum, neutropenia, plasma darah, platelet, trombosit, pulse, nadi, denyut nadi, red blood cell, sel darah merah, sickle cell anemia, sel sabit, specimen tube, tabung untuk sampel darah.
Sigmomanometer, alat ukur tekanan darah, sticking plaster, swab, kain pengepel luka, simptom gejala, sharing, alat suntik, tenderness, kelelahan, tisu jaringan, to draw blood, mengambil darah dari seseorang, to give blood, memberikan darah, tourniquet, tali pengukur atau tourniquet, vein itu urat darah halus, white blood cell itu sel darah putih. Next. Blood donation and transfusion. Transferring blood production from one person to other person is known as a transfusion. If someone loses a lot of blood in an accident or during surgery, doctor can give them replacement blood that has been donated. Blood cannot be manufactured, so blood from other human must be used. Only a small number of the population is able to donation. Blood of stranger. The blood is taken from the donor using a needle inserted into either arm. This blood is then kept cool and stroked until regulated by someone in needed. The whole blood used be used before 42 days have passed, in which time used blood will be destroyed. Pro, protein in of blood can be transfused as needed. Next. Next, red blood cells. With blood cells balance or the plasma can be spared out and transfusion for short-time medical condition. Even though blood can be shared between a donor and a patient, the two must have completed blood type. There are four basic types of human blood: AB, and O. All can be given to any person to measure their blood type, but doctor must check in a patient blood types before giving them donation blood of any other type. Even a patient, the word blood can warm blood type can cause illness or death. Blood has antigens or proteins or cellular extension to the outside of the blood cells. Next. The antigens can set off iron transmission. The body immune system might attack the new blood cells. Blood is future identification as positive or negative based on something known as RH factor. In addition to have one of the four blood type, the A plus I mean B plus B and B mean AB plus IB mean O plus OR O minus. Them are additional factor of some blood that will further impact a transfusion.
Read the following notes carefully, then answer the question. Blood group affective fertility. A woman's ability to converse in early middle age may be influenced by her blood type according to research. A study of 560 women undergoing fertility treatment found that those with type O blood had chemical things linked to low egg numbers. There is no clear explanation for the result planted to the American Society of Reproductive Medicine conference in Denver. The research from Albert Einstein College of Medicine in New York and Yale University looked at the level of a chemical called follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, in the woman who had a first egg of. Read the following notes carefully, then answer the question. Blood clue. A woman has a fixed number of eggs, her ovarian reserve, which are reset gradually over her fertile life. High level of FSH are thought to be an indicator that this reserve is diminishing more quickly, which can reduce case of conception on a woman. Research her 30 and 40 seconds. Analysis of blood samples revealed that the woman with type O blood were more likely to have higher FSH readings. Those with type A blood The other major blood group in the UK had lower FSH levels. Dr. Edward Najat, who led the study, said a woman's eggs remain the most important factor in determining her success of conceiving. The baseline FSH gives you an idea of the quality and quantity of woman eggs. Whether or not this will make any difference to women in the general population is not clear. All the women in the trial were already seeking fertility treatment. Tony Roosevelt Carnaf, the British Fertility Society, said the research was interesting. He said the further large-scale research will we need but confirm the result and see if an effect could be spotted in women with diagnosed fertility problem trying to converse. This is the first time I'm aware of that the research have saw a link between blood group and potential fertility.
Okay, next and the next. Next. Ya, next lagi yang grammar. Sebelumnya. Okay, come on.
What is simple future tense? Simple future tense is a form of the verb that refers to an action or event that has not yet begun. The simple future is also used to make a prediction or to show ability, intention, or demonstration. The simple future is expressed by breaking the helping verb will or shall, or a contract form of will or shall, in form of the base form of. Next. Positive sentence. Subject plus will plus verb one. Subject plus will plus verb one. I use he, see, it, we, you, they. Plus will plus start. Example, she will be a doctor soon. You will marry me. That party will be interesting. He will play basketball. I will meet with him. We will leave the house. They will study much. She will be her soon. Next. Negative sentence. Subject plus will not plus verb one. I you, he, see, it, we, you, they. Plus will not plus start. Example, she will not be a doctor soon. You will not marry me. That party will not be interesting. My mother will not Richard next year. He will not play basketball. I will not meet with him. We will not leave the house. They will not study much. She will not be here soon. Next. Question sentence. Will plus subject plus verb one. Will plus I you is it we you they plus start. Example. Will she be a doctor soon? Will he play basketball? Will you next with me with him? Will we leave the house? Will they study much? Will she come here? Next. Outward of time. Tomorrow, besok. The day after tomorrow, besok lusa. Next week, minggu depan. A month later, bulan depan. Next year, tahun depan. Soon, segera. Tonight, malam ini. Later, nanti. Di baby, sebentar lagi.